Alright, so we're doing holiday makeup tutorials. The first one we are doing is 4th of July for the freshman class. I'm starting off with a kind of neutral base so I can build up and eventually get down to adding a blue pigment to her eyelids. Right now we're just trying to build up the shadow so we can blend it afterwards. And this took a little bit of work, but once you work with the shadow, you can end up making it blend really nicely together. Right now we're just blending and making sure that all of it's kind of blending together and going around her eye and on her lower lash line as well. I'm adding a little bit of powder to her, and then I'm going and sculpting around her cheeks so I can give her more of a sculpted look. Right now I'm adding red lipstick to her lips to kind of complete the looks with the red and blues of the makeup look. And then now I'm just going in with these star stickers and adding them to her cheeks to give her a little bit of a pop. Okay, going into the sophomore class, we're doing St. Patrick's Day. We are just doing a neutral base so we can get that look going. Right now, I'm just going in with a darker brown eyeshadow to finish off the neutral part of the look. Right now I'm just adding a gold eyeshadow to her lids to try and build up the pigment and get a little bit more contrast. Right now, I'm going in with green eyeshadow on her lower lash line to add that element of green to the look. To finish this look off, I'm going in with a neutral lipstick and curling her lashes and putting on some mascara. For the junior class, it's Valentine's Day. Right now I'm going in with some reds and pink eyeshadows so I can blend them together and create the base of the look. Once again, I'm adding some gold eyeshadow to the lid to try and create a bit of pop on her eyelid. Right now I'm adding hearts and some blush to her cheeks so that we can tie in the Valentine's Day aspect with the look, and we're finishing it off with some red lipstick. For the senior class, it's New Year's Eve. We're just doing a shimmer shadow over the entire eyelid. Of course, there's other looks that you can do, but this one's pretty quick and it's fun. We're going in and adding a lot of highlighters just so we can add to the shimmery effect of this makeup look. And we're going in, adding mascara, and putting on those star stickers once again to try and finish it off. We're adding some gloss as well, just so we can still have that shimmer effect throughout the entirety of it. I hope you can draw some inspiration from any of the looks of this video. I hope you recreate them and keep an eye out for more Muse content for Spirit Week.